Hello everyone. Do you believe these chocolate cupcakes are eggless? They are cheap, easy and delicious. Please write in the comments from which city or country you are watching me from. We have 2 cups of flour. Let's add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/3 cups of cocoa powder, 1½ cup of sugar. Let's mix the dry ingredients. Let's add 1 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 120 ml of oil, let's mix it well. If mixture is too thick, you can add more milk. Let's pour this mixture into cupcakes. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more delicious recipes. We are using paper cups and silicone molds. Subtitles are available in all languages. Please enable subtitle according to your desired language. Our paper cupcakes are ready for baking. Let's bring our silicone cupcakes to the counter. Let's fill half of the silicone cupcakes with the prepared material. Our silicone cupcakes are also ready for baking. If you will bake these cupcakes, your family will enjoy it and they will finish within no time. Bake it for 25 minutes in preheated oven at 180 degrees. Our cupcakes are fully baked now. Let's place a piece of chocolate on hot cupcakes. You can use whatever chocolate you have at home. Press the notification bell so you will not miss any upcoming video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Your support can help me to grow my audience. Whether you need a quick late night snack or an easy dessert for one, this simple recipe comes together in minutes and satisfies any chocolate craving. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Perfect for beginners. No fancy thing is needed. Just a simple recipe that guarantees bakery-style results at home. Once you try them, you won't believe they are eggless or this much easy to make. incredibly rich, moist, and soft with gooey finish. Did you see how simple, easy, and quick to make these cupcakes are? You can make easily for your family. Thank you for your time. I hope you will try this recipe. Bye friends.